Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and sound enhancement with the Blacell replacement foam ear pads. If you own Logitech H600, H330, H340, Sony MDRG series, Repo H1030, KOS CS100, or other compatible headphones, these ear pads could be a game changer. The package includes a generous 20 pieces of replacement ear pads, boasting a diameter of 60mm or 2.4 inches. The material is not only of good quality but also exhibits high elasticity, ensuring durability and a lightweight feel. The soft and comfortable foam adds a layer of luxury to your listening experience. Installing these ear pads is a breeze, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your headphones. Not only do they provide enhanced comfort, but the high elasticity also aids in noise reduction, letting you enjoy your favorite tunes without any disturbances. These ear pads aren't just limited to a few headphone models. They're compatible with a wide range, including AKGK series, Sony G94NC, Sony DR220, Piano Bitop, and more. The versatility here is impressive. Whether you're into long gaming sessions, extended work hours, or simply want to enjoy your music with added comfort, the Blacell replacement foam ear pads are worth considering. Say goodbye to worn-out, uncomfortable ear cushions and hello to a new level of audio bliss. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.